Welcome back to the channel Pooja, a journey of a homemaker. Hope you have liked my previous recipe that was fruit plum cake, but it was a healthier version. And if you are watching me for the first time, go and do check that recipe. Link I'll send in description box. And do subscribe my channel if you are watching me for the first time, because after that you will get my next videos notification very easily. And today I came with a recipe for the kids, because Christmas is impossible without kids, and this recipe I tried to make in a healthier way too. I am not going to use any all-purpose flour or egg. It's pure eggless recipe, and this recipe name is Chocolate Christmas Tree Puff Pastry. Puff pastry is very common during the Christmas. Your kids definitely gonna love this recipe. So why don't you check this recipe? Let's start preparing dough first. I am taking 3 cups of whole wheat flour. Adding 1 cup of curd into it. 1 tablespoon of powdered sugar. 1 teaspoon of baking powder and half teaspoon of baking soda. Salt as per requirement. I am adding 50 gram of butter into it. If you want, you can add oil also. I am using food processor. If you want, you can do it by yourself. We are making a soft dough, so water as per your dough's quantity you have to add. Scrape the dough out onto the floored surface. So now knead the dough for about 2 minutes by your hand. Now wrap your hand around the dough and fold the edges into the center. Adding a pinch of olive oil. Transferring the dough to a ball. Covering it with a plastic wrap, and I am gonna keep it for 30 minutes. At a time I am taking only one piece of dough, so rest of the dough I am keeping it back in a ball. At the time of rolling the dough, you can see that small bubbles are forming, and that is absolutely fine, and because of that only you can come to know that your dough is perfect in consistency. I am using here milk chocolate. You can use any dark chocolate or any other chocolate whichever your kids loves. Since this recipe is purely for our kids, so why don't you call your kid into the kitchen and you can ask for the help, and they must find this very interesting and they will love to do this. If you don't want to use chocolates, you can use Nutella or any other chocolate sausages also. And you can make this dish for any of the birthday parties or any other parties, and where kids will be there, your kids gonna definitely love this dish. It's time to go for the baking, so grease your plate with the oil or butter and dust it with the flour. I am using butter only, but if you want you can use egg wash. It will give a very nice texture to your dish. Here we are avoiding all-purpose flour, so your dish will definitely going to be a little bit of brownish side because of whole wheat flour, but that's absolutely fine as far as you are going to decorate it with your kids' lovable chocolates or any other items or sausages which he likes or she likes. I am garnishing it with Hershey's chocolate syrup with fruit tutti frutti and nutties, chocolate nutties. So this is the final look of the dish and it is ready to serve. Your kids can't wait for this yummy delicious chocolate bomb recipe. Do try this at your home. Don't you found it very interesting? If you found, go and make it for your kids. And this recipe I am going to finish it here only and wait for my next vlog, so that next video is also going to be a kids special recipe only, which will be continuation for this vlog only. So do check that and wait for my next vlog. Till that time you enjoy my previous vlogs. I am Pooja signing off from Pooja, a journey of a homemaker. If you like my vlogs, you know what you have to do. Do share it with your friends and family. Send me comments also and do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit the bell icon so that you will get my next videos notification very easily. So I am signing off from now. Till that time, you people stay happy, stay safe, stay with your family. Spread lots of love. Bye bye.